So hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to the SRD group channel and into my another new video. So in this today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send disappearing message to someone in WhatsApp. Okay, any contacts, your friends or any people, if you want to send disappearing messages or only one time view pictures, that means that photo or any video will be view for only once and in second time it can't be opened. Okay, only one time message, this is called disappearing message of WhatsApp. So this feature has launched very earlier, but I'm making this video right now because many of people you don't know how to send disappearing message to someone in WhatsApp. So this I will show you in a very easy way, and this is very easy trick to send someone or disappearing message to your WhatsApp chats. So how can you do this? Now I will show you. But before that, if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe it and also like this video if my trick is helpful. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So friends, if you want to send disappearing messages or only one time view message to someone in your WhatsApp chats, so simply open your WhatsApp application and then select here any chats. So this first number I will select this chat, okay, for example. And now if you want to send any disappearing message, okay, any photo, pic or text, but it will be viewed for only once, okay, only one time message, so simply click on this option. You can see this clip icon, okay, clip icon. So first icon, clip. So now you have to select your photo or text which you want to send, photo, video, anything. So I open my gallery and select any pic here. So I have select this photo and I want to send this but disappearing message, okay. So if you want to send this only for one time view, so simply you have to click on this option, okay. You can see this small one icon, this small one. So this is called disappearing message option. This is feature guys, so you can type any caption also, it is optional if you want to add any caption. So I type here any, hey, okay, yes, he just for the example. So simply you have to click on this small one icon, okay. Photo set to view once. You can see photo is set to view for only once. And now I will click on this send button. So this photo has been sent guys, and you can see here this is one icon, one small icon. So that means so that any person can only see this photo for only once, okay, view for only once. So this is the trick guys, very easy trick to send any disappearing message or one time message to your friends or any people in WhatsApp. So I hope you like my trick. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to more people. So stay tuned for next video. For now, bye bye guys.